Hi, Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. We're out here in Inspirada, single story built in 2018, 2170 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus a den. Super clean, modern. Come on in, take a look. All right, I'm interrupting this home tour because I know what you're probably thinking. As nice as this house is, rates have been too high. And I feel you. So what we did is we built this custom calculator that estimates how much it could cost by waiting. So for example, if you're renting right now, waiting for the rates to come down, we have this calculator that'll estimate. So I'm gonna break it down for you. For this house, so if we estimate a price of $620,000, say the rates right now are 6.5%, and maybe you want the rates to fall down to 5 or 5.5. So I'll estimate this at 5.25. So maybe you would hope within 12 months the rates will come down. So historically, with the rate of appreciation, it's been 4.6% nationally over the last 40 years. Now Las Vegas has been higher, and even by removing the appreciation that we saw during COVID, I have this set at 3%, which I think is pretty modest. You'll also notice on the calculator, it estimates if you wanted to put in seller concessions. Now, in a slower market like we're having right now, sellers are more willing to work with a buyer. If you need closing costs, if you want a rate buy down, that kind of thing. And then when rates do drop, hopefully, you would imagine that people are going to start writing over lists because it's going to be busier, there's going to be more demand. But I have this at 0. I have 0 for seller concessions. So once you click calculate my results, the net benefit from buying right now is over $19,000. So for comparison, the current rate at 6.5 would be $3,135. The target rate of 5.25 would be $2,739 per month. So that's about $396 extra that you would pay in interest. So the benefits are about $24,000 minus the extra cost of the higher rate. So you have a net benefit of $19,000. Now, the benefits of buying is the equity that you'll get in your mortgage payments, which estimates at $55.44. So every month you do pay on your mortgage payment, it is chipping away at the principal. So at the 3% appreciation, now we're at $18,600. So that comes out to a $24,000 benefit minus the extra cost. You are still coming out ahead, even with the higher rates. And the other neat thing that this calculator does is, let's say the rates do drop to that 5.25 down the road and you can refi. If you continue paying that higher payment with the new lower rate, you would pay off the home in 7 years and 6 months sooner. But I'll have a link to this calculator. Check it out. Call me with questions.